Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to recharge the AC system on a Hyundai Sonata. This one is a 2006 model 3.3 engine, so it should be the same until 2011, I think. And when you open the hood of the vehicle, right here on the firewall on the back, you can find the information about your vehicle, how much refrigerant it needs. And this one is 525 to 575 grams. And 1 little can is 340 grams. So you need to add a little bit less than 2 cans, about 1 2/3. So what you need to do, you need to locate the low pressure side, which is right here. Open this one. You need to connect the install one can and connect the hose to the low pressure side. Okay, and after that, what we need to do, we need to go inside the vehicle, start the vehicle, and you need to make sure that your AC is on. Okay, let me make sure that the fan is on first. Okay, and you have the AC on, like that, all the way on cold. And now we can just go ahead and add refrigerant. You're going to hear the compressor kicking in if you didn't have any. Okay, you just empty the whole can. It will take you a couple minutes, probably 2 to 3 minutes, to empty the whole can. Okay, as you can see, it's taking it. Okay, the first can is empty, so we need to unhook it, change the can, and add about 2/3 of the second one. Okay, this is the second one. It will be really handy if you have a scale, so you can actually measure the can before and while you're putting refrigerant. That way you know exactly how much to put, but you can eyeball it too. Do not overfill it. Most of the new vehicles, they have protection to where it's not going to hurt the compressor. It will shut off because of the high pressure. Okay, the outside temperature right now is about 80 degrees, so we should be between 25 and 45 according to the thing, and we stay at 35, which is pretty good. Okay guys, we got ice cold air conditioner. I wish I had a thermometer to show you. So that's how you recharge your system on a Hyundai Sonata. If you have any questions, let us know. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.